ఒక్కొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఒక్కో సైడ్ ఒక్కొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చా?
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఇప్పుడు మన సిలబస్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఎబ్రేషన్, ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ ఎబ్రేషన్. ఇంట్రడక్షన్, monochromatic aberration, spherical aberration, methods of minimizing aberration, spherical aberration, coma, astigmatism and curvature of field, distortion, chromatic aberration, dichromatic doublet, achromatism for two lens. In this case, in contact and separated by distance. Achromatic for two lens అంటే ఈ ఎలిమినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎబ్రేషన్లో టూ కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. వన్ కేస్ ఈజ్ in contact of two lens and separated by a distance of two lens. Again, unit 2, interference. Principle of superposition, coherence, temporal coherence and spatial coherence, conditions for interference of light, Fresnel's biprism. In this case, determination of wavelength of light, change of phase on reflection, oblique incidence of a plane wave in thin film due to reflected and transmitted light. This is cosine law. In this law, two cases. First case is oblique incident of plane wave on a thin film due to reflected light. Again, oblique incident of a plane wave on a thin film due to transmitted light. Colors of thin films. Interference by a film with two non-parallel reflecting surfaces, which is wedge-shaped film. In this case, determination of diameter of wire. Wedge-shaped film lo determine the wavelength of the given light. Again, determination of diameter of wire by using Newton rings and reflected light. Michelson interferometer. In this parameter, determination of wavelength of monochromatic light by using Newton's ring and Michelson interferometer. This is unit 2. Unit 3, diffraction. Introduction. Distinction between Fresnel's and Fraunhofer diffraction. Fraunhofer diffraction. Diffraction due to a single slit. Fraunhofer diffraction due to a double slit. Once again, introduction of diffraction. Distinguish between Fresnel's diffraction and Fraunhofer diffraction. And Fraunhofer diffraction due to a single slit. Fraunhofer diffraction due to a double slit. Fraunhofer diffraction due to a Young slit. Resolving power of grating. Determination of wavelength of light. Determination of wavelength of light. In normal incidence and minimum deviation method using diffraction grating. Fresnel's off-period zones. Area of the off-period zones. Zone plate. Comparison of zone plate with a convex lens. Difference between interference and diffraction. Again, Unit 4, polarization. Polarized light, methods of polarization. Polarization by reflection, polarization by refraction, polarization by double refraction, scattering of light, Brevister's law, Malus law, Nicol prism, polarizer and analyzer. Nicol prism as a acts on polarizer and analyzer. Quarter wave plate, half wave plate, optical activity, determination of specific rotation by Lorentz offset polarimeter, Bobinet's compensator, idea of elliptical and circular polarization. This is the polarization unit. And again, lasers and holography. This is the 5th unit. Lasers interjection, spontaneous emission, stimulated emission, population inversion, laser principle, Einstein coefficients, types of lasers, helium neon laser, ruby laser. Those are 2 cases in our syllabus. Applications of lasers, holography, basic principles of holography, Gauer hologram and its limitations, applications of holography. Finally, fiber optics. Introduction, different types of fibers, rays and modes in an optical fiber, fiber material, principle of fiber communication, advantages of fiber optic communication, this is the total syllabus of the semester 3 wave optics.